Hi everyone and Assalamualaikum. My name is Sawang Kumat Aras bin Jeffrey. My matrix number is 07DKA 23F1046. Today I will explain about the IBS lightweight roof truss installation. Alright, for the introduction, the industrialized building system has revolutionized the construction industry by introducing efficient and sustainable building method. One of the key components in this system is the lightweight roof truss, designed to provide structural support for roof while maintaining ease of installation and cost effectiveness. The lightweight roof truss, also made from material like steel or engineered timber, is prefabricated off-site and brought to the construction site for quick assembly. This approach aligns with IBS principle, reducing construction time, labor, and waste while ensuring high quality result. In this mini project, we have three objectives. First objective is to know the function of tools to be used in practical work. Second is to know the exact material to be used in this practical work. And last, to understand sequence of installation process for IBS roof truss. Before we start to do the mini project, we must know the material first. The first material is C-channel. C-channel is used to provide support and used to build core types such as top coat, bottom coat, and web coat. The second material is batten. Batten is acting as spacer for roofing and cladding materials, creating a framework for mounting fixtures and helping to secure insulation or drywall. The next material is self-drilling screw. Self-drilling screw is to securely fasten components together for C-channel, batten, and L bracket while ensuring a strong and reliable connection. And lastly is L bracket. L bracket acting as connector that reinforce joint between two surfaces such as shelf to walls or frame, ensuring proper alignment and load bearing capacity. After we know the material, we must know also the tools for this mini project. First tools is grinder. Grinder is used to grind, cut or polish materials. The second tools is L square. L square is a measuring tool to ensure accurate and right angle. The next tools is carpenter pencil. Carpenter pencil is used for marking material after measure. Last but not least is cordless drill. It used for drilling holes and driving screw without the need for a cord. And lastly is measuring tape. Measuring tape is used to measure length for materials such as C-channel, batten, and L bracket, also used for Measure the distance between web and cord. After we know the material and the tools, before we start do our mini project, we must use the personal protective equipment to protect us from injury. The most important is we must use the safety jacket to make the wear more noticeable, especially in low light or high traffic area, and reducing the risk of accident. Next, we must use the safety glass. It's used to protect the eyes from potential hazards such as dust, debris, chemical, and flying objects. And last but not least is safety boots. Safety boot is essential for ensuring worker safety and preventing foot injuries on the job. And lastly is we must use the safety glove. Safety glove is to protect hands from cut, chemical, and heat while providing grip and comfort in various tasks. After we use the personal protective equipment, we can do the mini project step by step. The first procedure is ensure all trusses, fastener, and tools are ready and meet specification. Next, we must mark the location on the structure where each truss will be placed according to the design layout. After that, we must cut excess metal or trim, protruding steel bars, bolt, or reinforcement that could obstruct the placement of trusses. And next step is we must fasten the trusses to the supporting structure using bolt, screws, or connector. After that, we must marking and fix a bracket on roof beam, hoist and sequence the truss on the roof beam as per drawing, and stand the steel truss and fix the temporary bracing, then tighten L bracket. Last but not least, we must install the perimeter batten, roof insulation, and install lateral and diagonal bracing. And the last step is finish with roof sheeting, fascia, and other necessary components. So we have done the mini project. In conclusion, adopting IBS lightweight roof truss system leads to faster, more cost-effective and sustainable construction project, ensuring that the overall quality of the bulk is maintained without compromise. This installation method is a smart choice for modern building practice, aligning with the goal of the industrialized building system. I hope you understand what I've said, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. That's all from me.